Sometimes we want to understand not just the frequencies of values, but also the relationships. For example, we might want to know how words are used together in texts to form topics and themes. In this case, we have split texts into tokens. We'll drag a token collection to the display as network dropzone. Links between tokens are now calculated based on their co-occurrence. The network settings can be managed by clicking the network icon in the workbench header. By default, we're looking for connections on the level of posts. But we might just as well want to find clusters of words that are used at the same dates, or by the same authors, or in the same sentences. We select the field that we want to be the level for our analysis. What measure should be used to calculate the link strengths? Co-occurrence similarity measures the absolute number of times two tokens have appeared together. Cosine similarity is a relative measure that takes the size of the tokens into account. It's useful for finding strong connections between smaller tokens, which otherwise drown in the links of the densest nodes. CKC similarity is a measure not only of whether tokens co-occur, but whether they occur in similar contexts. It's the default option because it does a good job of connecting contextually similar tokens. The link filtration level can be changed to adjust the density of the network. A high filtration level means that only the strongest links are included. This is useful when networks are very dense, which is often the case in token networks. Individualization specifies whether link filtration should be applied to all links in the network or individually to each node. A high individualization level means that even small nodes will keep their strongest links, even if in absolute terms they are weaker than links of bigger nodes. This helps smaller clusters emerge more clearly. You can use the icons in the workbench header to hide or display links between nodes, and to choose whether nodes without any links should be displayed.